This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, April 26th. I'm Keaton Brown. Excitement is in the air as senior prom takes place tomorrow evening at the Sheraton Waterside. However, there's still some business to cover. On Tuesday, the boys track team played 7th in the 3rd Eastern District meet, but the girls finished first. Khalil Boham, Maeve Stiles, and Janice Hasbury won individual events for the Commodores. Yesterday, the girls softball team dropped a 14-7 decision to Wilson. However, the boys and Maury girls tennis team scored 9-0, shout-out wins over Booker T. Now here's Manene in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Keaton. Today, the JV baseball teams travel to Wilson for a game against the Presidents at 4 p.m. In lacrosse, the girls battle Granby while the boys play First Colonial. On Monday, the girls and boys tennis teams are in action against Tab at a time to be determined. The varsity baseball team will take on Wilson here at Maury at 4 p.m. Finally, the boys and girls soccer games play against Warwick at Powhatan Field. Girls play at 5, followed by the boys at 7. Be sure to support your Maury Commodores. Back to you, Keaton.
Thanks, Manene. Now here's what's happening at MHS. On Wednesday, Maury students Devin Calpo and George Turner appeared before the Norfolk School Board as representatives of Phoenix Rising. Phoenix Rising is an environmental club here at Maury. They advocated the installation of solar panels and water bottle filling stations here at Maury. That's your update for April 22nd. I'm Keaton Brown, and I'll see you on Wednesday.
This has been a Commodore News Update.
Ain't nobody got time for that.